Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, let's tap on it, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right in the middle we've got the timer option, which is right now crossed out, which simply means that it is turned off, and after tapping on it we can pick either 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let's tap on 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, the icon changed slightly, so we can always check if you've got the timer set. What is more, it is highlighted so you will not miss it for sure, and then only we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down either from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. And basically this is it. Of course you can always turn it off just by tapping on this crossed out icon, and right now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.